What do you think?
It's weird.
Buzz buttons, the toothache plants, because of its effect it has on your mouth and the kind of numbingness it gives you. These are in my unusual fruit and veg talk that I give, and I absolutely adore them. I think they're great fun to grow, pretty useless, but really entertaining. So they grow like a little petalless daisy. So they got just this little daisy head on them, no petals, and what you do is you break apart some of the fronds on there, and you can see actually the little black seeds. It's all edible, and you put that on your tongue and eat it, and what you get this kind of fizzing sensation. It tingles. It's making me salivate. It's slightly metallic tasting. I wouldn't say it was exactly nice, but it's not addictive, but you keep wanting to do it. It's a weird sensation, almost like popping candy. If you're ever stupid enough to lick a 9-volt battery as a kid, it's a little bit like that. And what I love doing on these talks, I used to be able to take this round with me. Obviously with COVID and everything else, you can't really now. But it's really making my mouth water now, sorry. So what I used to love doing is taking this, and I'd pass out some little fronds of this to everyone. I'd tell them to put it on the palm of their hand, anyone that wanted to try it, or they'd all take it. And I talk them through kind of the sensations that they're feeling, like how it tingles to start with, makes you salivate, the metallic taste. And then I'd say, and the laxative effects only last about 2 hours. And they'd all sit up and go, what? But there is no laxative effects, but it made a good joke for a talk. And it was always a nice way to finish a talk on it. So I really like these. They're really easy to grow as well. Dead easy to save the seed from. Just break them apart. When they dry them out, break them apart, and the seeds are there. It's so easy to save the seeds from. And to grow them, they grow in little clumps. About 8 inches high maybe, and about 1 foot wide. And I've grown them as like a cover crop underneath some other crops, and they're just easy, fun, but a great one to grow if you're going to walk somewhere around your garden and you want something interesting to show them. Then grow the electric daisy. So I love growing these. Let me know in the comment what your favourite unusual thing to grow is in your garden. I want to grow more, and I want to talk about them more. So give me some tips. Thanks, guys.